and stop transcription. Okay, hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about the current week. It's week 12, and this week you should learn not only how to write code and make your application working or available to in the web, but how to do it in a proper manner. And first model, it's clean code. Here you should learn about dry keys and Yagni principles. It's the most popular nowadays. And you read about what is a clean code, how your code should look like, what principles should you follow while you're reading any code. And there are a lot of information, but this information help you to improve your code quality and to make it readable, maintainable, and extendable for any time. There are a lot of information, but please read this information carefully and pay attention on each block. There are only useful information without any additional text on or articles. Here you can find information about CSS, HTML, and for JavaScript as well. So information a lot of, but it's worth to read. The next block is about linters, formatters, and Haskell. It's a tools to improve to your code automatically. Kind of linters help you to configure some rules, and your IDE will help you and highlight the places where your code is not uh, not saying correct, but might be improved or is not follow some rules that you configure above. Uh, Formatters can help you to add all necessary tabulations or spaces inside your code. And the final one, Husky, will help you to run any linters formatters while you're committing or pushing your code in the GitHub. It helps you to be sure that only formatted code and code that pass all necessary lint rules is added to your GitHub application. And it's about educational materials for this week and related to tasks. I hope that you are close to completing your task, and I'm not sure. It seems as a mistake. It should be cross-checked this week. Okay, perhaps it's a mistake in the score or in the scheduler. I will update it. This week you should start working on a clean code. What about this task? We provide you an application, code of application with a lot of mistakes and issues. Almost each line is not according to uh, lint or style guides rules. You should uh, refactor all this code. The main idea that the functionality of this application should be the same, but the code should be much better and should be according to rules. You should use your public repository, your private, your personal repository. Pay attention on commit requirements. Uh, do not forget about creating new branch for this task, and don't forget to add the description to your pull requests. Also, pay attention on evaluation criteria. It helps you to check yourself before you commit and push code to review. And seems that all from my side. Perhaps you have a question. Feel free to ask or to write this question in the chat. It's absolutely up to you. One, two, three. Seems there are no questions. Okay. If you will have questions, feel free to ask it in the Discord. I see a question. Will we have meeting about interviews? Yes. Next week, let's check. Starting from the next week, you will get information about the person who will conduct interview for you, and you will have communication with this person to agree the day and time for the interview. If you mean some training interview with an Q&A session, no, we are not going to do it. Okay. Seems there are no questions. Thank you for the attending and have a nice day or evening.